Mosquitoes are upon us, meaning we're bound to be covered by itchy bites anytime we want to enjoy that cool outdoor air. Mosquitoes are among the most annoying pests to actively deal with, so in this video, we'll focus on using preventative measures to keep mosquitoes out of our yards. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To buy the products featured in this video, or to learn more about mosquito control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. Before taking any action, we need to be sure we're actually dealing with mosquitoes, as using the wrong treatment methods for your pest will just be a waste of time and money. Mosquitoes are small, flying insects ranging from 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch in length. They have 6 slender legs, a small head with a long, straw-like proboscis, and a thin abdomen that swells with blood after it's been fed. If you're being bitten by a flying pest, but it's hard to see what's actually biting you, you may be dealing with a biting midge, otherwise known as a no-see-um. No-see-ums are similar to mosquitoes in that they are slender, flying insects that can feed off humans. However, there are a few key differences that distinguish them from each other. 1. The no-see-um is much smaller than a mosquito and difficult to see, growing to be about 1/32 of an inch in length. 2. No-see-ums have saw-like mouthparts meant for cutting, while mosquitoes have their piercing proboscis. This results in a no-see-um bite being much more noticeable and painful than a typical mosquito bite. It's important to be able to distinguish mosquitoes from other pests, as different pests will require different treatment methods and products to control. Now that you know you're dealing with mosquitoes, check around your property to look for hotspots of activity. It's known that mosquitoes need stagnant water in order to breed, so look around for spots in your property where water tends to collect. These spots can include bird baths, potted plants, tires left on the lawn, or places in your lawn where water doesn't drain easily. Take note of any standing water you find, as mosquitoes will lay their eggs in these sites. In addition to breeding sites, you'll also want to look for spots where adult mosquitoes rest during the day. These sites include underneath lawn debris like leaf litter or fallen branches, underneath the leaves of shrubbery, along the sides of trees, and on the siding of any nearby structures. After finding where the mosquitoes will breed and rest, it's time to start addressing the problem. Start by addressing the spots of standing water you found during your inspection. Drain and dry small sources of water like bird baths or outdoor potted plants. Also, be sure to clean out your rain gutters and make sure water can flow through. Next, you need to pick up and dispose of any lawn debris you found. Pick up fallen branches and rake leaves into piles to make cleaning easier. If you keep wood piles on the ground, those will need to be stacked properly and covered away from your structures. If you're interested in learning more about keeping pests out of firewood, you can check out our video and guide on the subject by clicking on the top right corner of the screen. Once you've picked up debris around your home, you'll then need to prune or trim your shrubs. The undersides of leaves are popular resting spots for mosquitoes, so pruning away overgrown shrubs, palms, or trees gives them much less space to hide under. Now that you've addressed any sites conducive to mosquito activity, it's time to use chemical treatment. Proper use of these products will ensure mosquitoes won't be able to breed or remain active on your property. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To control mosquitoes near the bodies of water you can't drain, we recommend you use a larvicide like BTI Mosquito Dunks. These are great to use in bodies of water like artificial or natural ponds, unused swimming pools, or even in flower pots right after it rains. It can even be set preemptively in areas known to flood after rainfall. When set on top of water, the mosquito dunk will gradually release a bacterium known as BTI. Larvae in the water will consume the bacterium and die within 48 hours. BTI is lethal only to mosquitoes and some flies, and will not affect people, pets, or wildlife, including fish. You can use the product's labeled rate of 1 dunk to treat 25 to 100 square feet of surface area of standing water. Dunks can be broken apart to treat smaller areas, down to 1/4 of a dunk to treat 1 to 5 square feet of standing water. To treat areas larger than 100 square feet, more than 1 dunk will be required. Mosquito dunks will float on top of water and will continue to work for around 30 days under normal environmental conditions. Once you've treated larvae in breeding sites, your next step is to treat adult mosquito resting spots. We recommend you use a liquid insecticide concentrate that's made with the active ingredient BIFENTHRIN that will leave a lasting residual. The BIFENTHRIN will work to kill pests it comes in contact with, and will also leave a barrier that prevents pests from crossing. For a product that's 7.9% BIFENTHRIN, we recommend you use 0.5 fluid ounces of product per 1 gallon of spray solution. We recommend you use this product in a 1 or 1.5 gallon handheld sprayer to make mixing and application quick and easy. To mix, fill your pump sprayer with half a gallon of water and add your measured amount of insecticide concentrate. Add the rest of the water up to the 1 gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump the sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. Apply your insecticide solution to shrubbery and ornamental plants where you've seen mosquitoes at rest. Be sure to spray underneath the leaves as well, as mosquitoes are likely to rest underneath the leaves during the day. Also, be sure to spray the sides of structures and tree trunks, as mosquitoes can rest in these spots as well. We recommend you spray this solution every 90 days for continued residual control. Finally, if you are currently experiencing heavy mosquito infestations, and if you have a residential misting system or the appropriate equipment to conduct a spray spray application, you can also consider an insecticide like Flex 1010. Flex 1010 is a broad-use emulsifiable concentrate used to control many insects, including mosquitoes, fleas, and cockroaches. This product has been specially formulated for use in fogging and misting systems for effective control of flying pests. Keep in mind that this product is oil-based and could potentially stain surfaces and burn vegetation in temperatures of 95 degrees or higher. Be sure to check the label for proper dilution rates for your application method. Mosquitoes may be one of the more annoying pests to deal with, but there are ways to prevent an infestation from getting out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop mosquitoes from infesting your home, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.